Purdue Pharma and its owners, the Sackler family, are reported in talks to settle over 2,000 lawsuits for up to $12 billion. Purdue, the maker of Oxycontin, is among the many drug makers battling claims that it fueled an opioid addiction crisis in the U.S. But the lawsuits claim Purdue aggressively marketed prescription opioids while misleading consumers about the risks involved. Now, just a day earlier, Johnson & Johnson was ordered to pay $572 million to the state of Oklahoma for its role in the crisis.
Malaysia's Prime Minister Mahathir Mohamad took this made-in-Vietnam car for a spin today, on day 2 of his trip to Vietnam. The car is made by VinFast, Vietnam's first domestic car maker, and is expected to go on sale later this year. It's an idea close to Dr. Mahathir's heart, who has championed a new national car for Malaysia since coming back to power. Earlier this month, the company was appointed to produce the vehicle, with the first prototype likely to be released early next year.
It looks like Alibaba and Tencent will be pioneering China's cryptocurrency. Forbes is reporting that China's central bank is getting ready to launch its digital currency on Singles Day, that's in November. The tech giants lead a list of 7 companies that will be the first to use it. Now, the list includes payment brand UnionPay and other Chinese banks.